From garrison to garrison, from town to town, it's the GBR News going live. 3, 2, 1.
Good afternoon. Me a Jen and him over this attach.
Go then, mama.
We're here with the midday news, is it? Whole heap of shit a go on. The killing them get crazy and
Yo, mama, you can't say shit on you.
So what you just said a while ago? You know say man they rob Miss Ivy brand new cook with her 200 fold them what she raised for sale?
Mama, all that dropping, nobody in the business.
Oh no bring back Miss Ivy fold them!
Mama, nobody
in the right!
Mama, nobody
in the right!
Mama, hear me say that.
In the right.
He was right now. See that they have video, so see there, only thing they back in that woman Christmas with chicken them and that. That alone.
Savvy, I'm here.
They give me 200 chicken in a cube. I want 200 chicken and I'm going one left and I'm going dead one left to be me. I'm never going to call it up and don't tell Andrew all his body sausage so that
Anyway, in further news, water lockoff has been rampant in the Kingston area for the last 6 months. A report from the National Water Commission is as follows. And a full fall make the Chinese man them where do the road work, dig up the road and bust up the whole line pipe them. You get me I say? And the man them I say, them are gonna lock it off and them now turn it on back because the Chinese man them not stop dig up the road. Now I tell you the road that dig up from down and do it back, go straight back up on more lines in the people. You hear me I say? So the water man, if you do better than that man and stop dig up the road man.
Well, I can't tell when last water come through my pipe. I wipe me have to wipe the necessary. I don't know that impossible. You see me?
Go easy no mama, nobody no want to hear about that.
Go easy for your mama, hey. Let me talk my mind, you know. You see what say you drink your last tea bag for outside lunchroom and me dead my belly. Stay up like that. Don't provoke me.
We go to Michael Razor Sharp in news. In Corbin Gardens talking to the residents of the community regarding to the water shortage.
can't bother, no. We just want a nice black woman and not just be a bleachers there, man. I can't bother. Wow.
Yo, Dad, you hear me?
Taj, I'm not enough for camp on private now.
Yo, I'm not private number, you can't talk one run, sir. Brother, I have to call the man straight and the man answer private number and I say, I'm on the phone and try call the man straight, you know. Be a thing them going around there, you know. I call the man on private number and I know say the man have news to read.
So we're here at Corville, and the people them have a little problem with the water problem. We're talk to Tasha. So Tasha right here, so talk to the people them. Tasha.
What that? I want to leave a place now the water and I do any park you went there. Bay Farm Road uptown. Anyone long my baby no beard? Anyone long all them politician boy but them have invite the China man country.
Tasha.
No, not even the cameraman no see if you know that way to me no water.
Relax them general.
I see if I beard warm beard.
Need water. Pay food and should not keep up. Government now pay water bill. Yeah, outside and wash clothes, you know.
Warm beard, water me say. Water. When they done here for
We have video call me from me not tell us I soon call you back.
And that
me
was
shoot. Me soon call you back.
And that was Michael Razor Sharp with the news in Corville Gardens. Corville, fix things. Michael, them are going away still, you know. But speaking about going away, I went to the police them I try to act. I don't know the word, but the man them one lamp and the man I lock him up for a couple of days because I'm thief off a couple of orange off of Miss Doman tree. You get me I say? Thief off orange off a tree.
What's that boy doing? Is he stealing my oranges? Is he really stealing my oranges? Hey! Put it back! Get out! Put it back!
Wait there. Them the release charge yesterday. What kind of sabotage thing them a try sabotage me general? Eh? I want to hear them lock up the man in and release the man and now them a come talk about the man get locked up. Yo, GTR, what you informer thing, you know? And that me I telling you, you know. I be a foolishness and I go on with boy, you know.
So your friend you know no ambition? big cherry girl them could have take anything else. I inventive.
My girl, no, you talk about my General George, you know. And them man, they usually put the baddest porridge in the scheme, you know. I just show police take when pattern of a start juggle something at town, you know. And that me I tell you, you know. When you have to talk about, you not talk about. When you need to talk about is Miss Ivy, the fall, you go teeth down on Miss Ivy and I come talk about your nice and thing. Poor Miss Ivy.
What you try say about me, dirty boy? Accuse me? Me say if I accuse me.
Then you take to fall them.
You see, that's why I always get out your box food when I left it in the break room. Are you liar?
You don't have a box food, my girl. I want you.
Yeah, you can't carry box food feelings now.
Yo.
I serve too long, serve too master. News just in. Government just increased minimum wage by $5.50.
Like
$5.50.
$5.50. Government fix things.
Go not go with that.
Where that I go?
$50 can't even buy a slice of bread. Much less a bun and cheese. Talk truth. When you put on a 10-pack on that, that's a call increase. Yeah. Talking about increase. You know how much work them have me over here do? And me can't tell when last me get one raise. Ain't a suffer and want me suffer over here? When you think the phone up here bad?
Miss Adams.
Miss
Adams were alive. Miss Adams were alive.
Hey, when you not pay me no bag of money if you tell me if stick to no tell a prompt or something. You know what? Let me go start over.
You mean go put the chicken in with your teeth, girl. Teeth in. Under that. You should have make it catch me. Breaking news. News just in. Jen from CBB TV news station just left the work. And I mean they are same way. You get me I say? So next week we're going to link, you see me I say?